Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have here a really cute teeny 4-piece Happy Mail idea pack to share with you guys. It is so easy to put together, and all I did was use one piece of 6x6 paper, and you can make this cute little pack ready for you to send off as Happy Mail. If you are in a Happy Mail group swap, you can make this 4-piece set with one piece of 12x12 paper, and you can get 4 packs of these as well. And for those that do junk journaling, you can add these cute little pockets into your little tuck spots or into your page inserts. If you're into planning, you can also add these onto your planner pages as well. It is just so cute, and you don't need a scoreboard to make this. So for those that are new to crafting or happy mailing and you are limited to craft supplies, you don't need a scoreboard at all to create this cute little project ID. I'm also going to show you a couple of ways how you can package these if you want to send this off. And also I have put together a little pack that's added in my shop as well if you're interested in purchasing the pack, which I'll show you at the end of the tutorial. But I'm going to show you what's inside my little pockets and what the 4-piece pack includes. And this here is the first piece, which is a cute little, like a little pocket, and I embellished it with one of my little vellum layered butterflies with a little heart. And it's just a quick little simple way to just finish off a little small project like this one. And inside I've got a little embellished flag banner shape, which added a little pom-pom and some little hearts, and it's just a little extra little gift you can fit in here. And it's a cute little pocket if you want to add some flat embellishments in here. So you wouldn't want to add anything too bulky, but you can add a couple of little flat embellishments. And this one here is a little mini coin envelope, which I've embellished as well and added a word sentiment that's also available in my shop. Cute little bow. And this is the closure, which I've used a foam dot. And you can add, well, I've got in here a little pack of stickers. So there is room to add some little small ephemeras in there. And the third piece, which also has the fourth piece, this is the little tag that coordinates with the little pack. And this is the little teeny tag shaped loaded pocket. How cute is this? And I just embellished the front of the pocket, and I've got in here a little gold puffy heart, some little tickets and a die cut, so I was able to fit them in there, and a little washi sample on a little floss spool, I think that's what you call it. And I just got some organza ribbon just to decorate the top. So I was able to fit a few of the little goodies. And here's the little pocket, so cute. And then I've just got here some organza ribbon to decorate the top where I punched a hole, and a tassel. So I just thought this is just a cute little teeny project, especially for those that like little tiny projects like myself. I like making little tiny ones. And I'm just going to show a couple of ways how you can package these if you want to gift it as a whole pack like this and you don't know what to do. What you can do is you can cut another or grab another piece of 6x6 paper, cut that in half so you'll get 2 pieces at 3x6. And all you do is you want to fold your paper over to however deep you like your pocket, and then just glue the sides. I've got here a vellum window in my one, and I have these also in my shop. You get a pack of 3 random prints with a little vellum window, and you can, I'll show you how you can package these. So you can just put them in like this, and they will still fit in there quite nicely, depending how you embellish the front without it getting caught. Just try and see if I can get my one in there. You just sort of place it however you like. So that was quite easy to pack in there nicely, and then you can just give this and wrap it up with some clear self-seal bag. Or another way is you can use one of these little pouches, which I'll show you what I've done. I have made another pack, but without any goodies inside. I've made it so that it's a little gift pack that I've stuck together, and I tied it with some organza ribbon. So there's nothing inside. It's just a way to gift this. And then I place it in a pouch that I'd embellished with some of my embellishments. and it just fits nicely in there as well. So you can gift it this way without the goodies. These pouches, I have these in my shop. You get a random, oh not sorry, you get a pack of 6. I'm not too sure the measurements, but I'll have the measurement on my, in the description in my listing if you want to purchase a pack of 6 of these. And then that's just a couple of ways you can do it. But let's go ahead, let's make this 4-piece little Happy Mail set. So you grab your 6x6 paper, and we're just going to do a couple of cuts, and you're going to line your paper on the 4-inch side, and you're going to cut that out. And then you've got this piece, we'll put that to the side for now. We're going to grab this piece, we're going to turn that around, and you're going to line the edge again on the 4-inch side. So then you'll have one piece at 4x4, and then you also have this piece. Now we're going to grab the other piece, we're going to turn that around, and we're going to line this edge on the 4 3/4 inch. We're going to cut that, and then you'll get these 2 pieces. So that's all there is with the cutting. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and we'll grab the little small piece first, and that's going to be your tag, and we're just going to cut that out. Grab the other end and bring it over to create the template so that they have even angles. You can also corner around the corners, you don't have to do it this way. And there is your tag complete. I'm just going to take these out so you can see each one that we've made. Just take all the stuff out. So we have here the little tag, and we're going to grab now the smaller piece. So you have 2 pieces. We'll start with this one first, which is the smaller size. We're going to fold this over, and it's going to be the little tag pocket, and you want to fold it as far as you like and how deep you want your pockets. So I'm just going to fold mine about there, which is probably 1 1/4 inch. So that's all there is to that. We're going to now just adhere some glue to each end. And we can seal that up. I'll also put the link down below to the liquid glue that I use in all of my projects. I've had a few of you asking what kind of glue I use, and I'll put the link down below. And I'm just going to corner around the top. Again, this is optional, you don't have to do that. And then you can punch a hole on the top here if you like to do that. So that's that one done. And now we'll grab the 3rd piece, which is the longer piece. We're simply folding that over in half and then pressing that down. And then we're going to again glue the edges. This is a great glue because it doesn't warp your paper, bubble your paper. It seals it really quickly, but it still gives you time to move your paper around, and it's quite strong too, and it dries clear. And it glues just about a lot of things. So I've done that, and I'm going to grab my 1-inch circle punch. I'm going to just give it a thumb notch on the top. So that's that. And what else, what I also do, because it's such a small little pocket and sometimes it's hard to get in there, once I've glued the ends, I tend to just gently open it, and I grab like a paddle pop stick, gently open it, and I slide that inside just to help give it a bit of room, so when I want to insert some tiny goodies, it's easy to be able to get it in. So I just do that and seal while that's nice and trying to dry. So you can see then it's easy to have an opening, and then you'll be able to insert what you need inside quite easily. There we go. So that is the third piece. Now let's create the cute little coin pocket. And to do the coin pocket, what we're going to do is you're going to bring these two pieces over. You want to bring the left side over, and you want to just overlap it just a little bit, but trying to keep it in the middle as you can. You just want a little overlap, just so there is enough room for you to glue the paper together. So I'm just going to put mine there, about there. And press the sides down. And we'll open that up, and now we're going to grab the bottom part. We're going to bring this up as well, about 1/4 of an inch over. And that's for your bottom bit here. And then with the top, I'm just going to turn it this way. Again, fold this over. You can fold it roughly about the same height as that, or a little bit more for your closure. So really, I don't it doesn't matter to me whether they line up in the same width. Just decide, remember, which is your top and bottom. So you'll have that. And what we're going to do, we're going to cut out these 4 squares, because we don't need these 4 squares. And we're going to do just a couple more little cuts. What we're going to do now, we're going to angle cut these ones, the sides out, just like that, on all 4 sides. So you'll have looking like that. I'm going to close this back over now, and I'm just going to corner around the corners. That's optional as well. You don't have to do that, but I find it just neatens the pocket envelope. And now we're just going to open, it goes this way. You're going to open it up, and you're just going to glue one side, the side that needs to overlap. And then we can seal that off. And then we can seal off the bottom. And that completes your cute little coin pocket. It's very easy. You don't need to, now I need to use a scoreboard. And then you can have the option of adding, let's see, I've got it in here, to make it as a closure for your coin pocket. Just will take this one out of this one, just so you can see. You can add a little brad or an eyelet and have a little piece to be able to make it as a closure, a washi tape, or little foam dots. So that is the 4th piece to your pack. So that was just using one piece of 6x6 paper. Just trying to match it all up here so you can see. And I hope that was an easy enough project for you. And now for the pack that's in my shop, which I'll just show you. What you will get if you're interested, I have already made and assembled and put together a random pack of the 4-piece pack. You get a random print. So if you want to use the prints that I have, you'll get a random pack of these. You will also receive in the pack one of these pouches. You'll get a washi sample of random print with the spool. You'll get 3 word sentiments, or 3 random word sentiments. So you can also use these in your projects. You'll get a little heart and the brad. Again, that's optional if you want to use that to use as a closure for your little coin pocket. You don't have to use that if you don't want to, but it's in the pack. You'll also get the embellished embroidery flower. It's either this one or this one, so that you could decorate your little pouch. So that is in there, and also the little center embroidery piece, which is this one here, to add to your flower if you like. So that's the little pack you get. So it's one of the one little 4-piece pack with this little pouch pack kit. And to adhere the embroidery onto the pouch, you can use hot glue gun. You can also use some fabric glue or glue dots, really good strong glue dots. This is by Glue Dots. I did just use the glue dot to adhere it to the pouch, but any kind of adhesive that will work for you, you can use that. So I just thought I'd share with you this as well, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and little project share using 6x6 paper, and I hope I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.